Now in this video, I've got a 6-volt DC source on this side of my circuit in series with a 200 ohm resistor in series with a 1 k ohm resistor. This side is positive and this side is negative. And on this side of my circuit, this side is positive, this side is negative, and I also have a 6-volt source. I've got a 150 ohm resistor in series with the 1 k ohm resistor. Now I will be finding my current I1, I2, and I3. Now, starting from this side of my circuit, 6 volts, equals the sum of my 200 ohm resistor and my 1 k ohm resistor. That gives me 1200 ohms multiplied by my I1 current minus my 1 k ohm (1,000 ohms) multiplied by my I2 current. Now on this side, 6 volts equals the sum of 150 ohms and 1 k ohm. Okay. Plus 1,150 ohms multiplied by current I2 minus 1 k ohm multiplied by current I1. Now, I'm going to add these up, but first, I'm going to cancel my I1 voltages right here. So I'm going to go 6 volts equals 1,200 I1 minus 1,000 I2 6 volts equals minus 1,000 I1 plus 1,150 I2. And to cancel my I1 current, I'm going to multiply my bottom term by 1.2. Now this leaves me 6 volts equals 1200 I1 minus 1000 I2 6 times 1.2, 7.2 volts equals minus 1.2 times 1000 I minus 1200 I1 plus 1,150 ohms times 1.2 times 1.2. That leaves me 1,380 I2 6 and 7.2 equal 13.2. Zero, 1380 minus 1,000 equals 380 I2. So my I2 current equals 13.2 volts over 380 ohms (34.7 milliamps). So my I2 current 34.7 milliamps. Okay, now I'm gonna find my I1 current. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my 34.7 milliamps and I'm gonna plug it in right here for I2. Then I'm gonna rearrange the equation. (1,000) times 34.7 milliamps That gives me 34.7 volts. So now I will take this whole formula and I plug it into my calculator. And that gives me a current of 33.9 milliamps. Now my I3 current equals 34.7 milliamps minus 33.9 milliamps and that gives me a current of 0.8 milliamps. So I've got 33.9 milliamps flowing through my 200 ohm resistor, 34.7 milliamps flowing through my 150 ohm resistor, and I've got 0.8 milliamps flowing through my 1K ohm resistor. And this brings me to the end of the video. Subscribe, like, share. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks for your attention.